Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very Airy Library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Stan.
journey from a prominent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
Stan?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical,
man.
incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very
Young
Airy
authors
Library.
I think we're ready to go. Hello, fellow story explorers. We just landed here in Harbinson, South Carolina, and we're going to visit a young author by the name of King Hansbrough. And this is his book, The Author Visit. And I think I hear King now. Hey, King.
Hey, Mr. Stan.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library. Come on in, man. What do you think?
This is awesome.
I'm glad you like it. Okay, so King, do you mind telling our story explorers out there a little bit about yourself? So tell us your name, your age, and what you like to do for fun.
My name is King Hansbrough. I am 10 years old, and I like to do for fun is play on my Xbox with my Uncle Eddie and my little brother.
Oh man, your Uncle Eddie sounds so awesome to play games with you and Xbox. What's your favorite game on Xbox?
Roblox.
Oh man, I've heard a lot about that Roblox game. I think I need to check it out. Man, this is a snazzy shirt. I love Spider-Man. You like Spider-Man too?
Yeah.
So King, we're gonna do a few things today. First, we're gonna play a game. Yeah, and then second, you're gonna tell us a little bit more about your book. And then lastly, we're gonna put your book into the Eternal Library. How does that sound?
That sounds amazing.
Good.
Did somebody leave the fridge open? Cause it's getting cold in here, which means it's time to play an Icebreaker game. You know the rules. Spin the wheel, and whatever it lands on, you have to do.
All right, whatever it lands on, you have to answer. Oh, good spin. What will it be? What will it be?
Come on.
Oh, would you rather fight one giant gummy bear or 100 tiny unicorns?
I would rather fight one giant gummy bear because I could just eat it.
Well, wait a minute. You don't even know what flavor it is. What if it was a poop flavor?
I would create my own flavor that is all made of all the delicious flavors in the flavor of histories.
Oh, wow. That sounds like a yummy gummy bear. I'll help you eat it. How about that?
Oh, I can help you for sure. I once devoured a whole village of gummy bears. Wide range of flavors, too. Definitely a poop in there, maybe a grass, some real weird ones.
That is disturbing on so many levels. Hello, King. I'm curious. Could you tell us the name of your book and what it's about?
Pulling the book up now.
The name of my book is called The Author Visit, and it's from my own personal life experience where Mr. Stan came over to my school.
I am so proud of you, King. I love that you wrote about when I came to your school. What I always tell young authors like yourself is to write about events that happen in your life because you had a front row seat to that experience. It's just like watching a movie. Great job.
What's all this positive affirmation going on? Oh, King! I was trying to take my third afternoon nap and all this racket woke me up.
Sorry about that, Philo.
Well, King, I've got some questions for you. What was your favorite part of the writing process?
Is that I can make my own books by being respectful, responsible, having a growth mindset, and never giving up.
Ooh, I love that. Well, what was the most challenging part?
Is that I had to stay up late,
How late are we talking?
12 a.m.
12 a.m.? That's the spooky hour. When my How Not to Burn Your Cookie shows come on. Speaking of shows, my afternoon set is about to begin. Guiding Light, Dallas, Returns, all the classics.
Bye, Philo. All right, King, are you ready to put your book into the Eternal Library?
Yes.
Let's do it, man. Now, King, before we put your book into the Eternal Library, do you mind telling our story explorers out there, can you give them some advice or some words of encouragement?
Well, I have 4 different ones. always be respectful, responsible, have a growth mindset, and never give up.
Oh man, that is so powerful. Be respectful, responsible, have a growth mindset, and never give up. That is awesome. All right, King, now before we put your book into the Eternal Library, I have a surprise for you. I have an author visit at a school right down the street. Would you like to go with me?
Yeah.
And you do have other copies, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's put this book into the Eternal Library. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Awesome.
Commencing literary ingestion process.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Never gets old.
Process complete.
King, are you ready for your author visit?
Yes.
Let's do it, man. Man, that was a bumpy ride, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad we made it safely. We're here at Harbinson West Elementary School, and today, King, you're gonna get to do your first author visit. Are you excited?
Yes.
Man, I'm excited for you. Come on, let's go inside.
This book is dedicated to Stan the Man and all of my family members. Mr. Stan then began to share his story as an author. It was inspiring. No matter what happens, you can be an author too, if you try. The end.
Man, that was so much fun. You did amazing for your first author visit. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Good, I'm glad to hear, man. Well, do you know that authors get paid for their visits? And today you're gonna get your first payment for your author visit. I have $50, $100, $150 for your author visit.
Thank you.
No, thank you, friend. Well, that's it for today, friends. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book
Or person
by its cover. See you next time, friends. The book, The Author Visit, is a selection from the Share Your Story writing program and published by Leap for Literacy. Visit startyourstories.com to see how you can participate.